count the coins and match their value to the amounts shown. Pause the video, calculate everything. The first coin is 5 cents and the second one is 1 cent. So 5 plus 1 makes 6 cents. Pause the video, calculate everything. The first coin is 5 cents. Second is also 5 cents. And the third coin is 1 cent. So 5 plus 5 plus 1 makes 11 cents. Pause the video, calculate everything. The first coin is 5 cents. Second is 5. Third is 1. Fourth is also 1. The next coin is also 1. So that is 13 cents. Pause the video, calculate everything. 5 cents. Again 5. Plus 5. Plus 5. Plus 1. That makes 21 cents. Pause the video, calculate everything. 5 cents. Plus 5 cents. Plus 5. Plus 1. That makes 16 cents. Pause the video, calculate everything. 5 cents, 1 cent, 1, 1 and 1. That makes 9 cents. We have all the amount we calculated till now. You need to match the following with that. It should look something like this. If you liked my video, don't forget to ask a grown-up and subscribe to my channel.